Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add logo to all slides in LibreOffice Impress. So let's get straight into it. First thing first, open up master slide. So let's go to the view and right here master slide like so. Now go to the insert and then image. So we will select an image. Let's go. Okay, like that. Now we need to position this. So move the logo to the desired location and adjust the size. So I will go right here at this corner. I will place something like that, for example, like that. So now we need to move to background, right click on the image and then go to arrange and send back like so. This will ensure it appears behind text and other content. And now what we need to do is close master view button. You will find it right here in this toolbar. Close master view, click on it. And like so. And now we have added ourselves the logo to every slide that we use. Right here is not, but here it is right here. Also, important tip, if you have multiple masters, then you will need to repeat on these multiple master slides. You may need to repeat. So the or formatting, ensure the image is in the background so the text boxes remain clickable. So this is it for this video. This is how you can add logo to all slides. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.